baby? What is going on?
We found a post where somebody was getting rid of some water tanks, and then we were blessed he was getting rid of some other stuff too.
See, and these are the tanks that I also got for free yesterday. I got 5 of them. No holes, nothing. That one's a little crushed, but I'll take it and do something with it. And yeah, all off market. What's up, guys? So, as you've seen, we went and picked up a bunch of water totes. We are now going to set those totes up to be pumping from our creek. We have a creek that's spring fed, and it runs pretty much all year round. Sometimes it gets low, so we're going to fill up, I think, about 1,500 gallons worth of water for our livestock and our garden. So come on, check it out. And the newest addition to our farm would be these quails. I love quail eggs. And that's something that we've been working on, trying to get as an income too, is doing pickled quail eggs. And JJ loves it. We like the quails, Jay? Also got a bunch of brick. Read a bunch of brick. Man, look at all that brick. We got a whole pallet of brick and even more. Another one of my projects, we took an old trampoline net and turned it into a little animal outside run, if you want to call it. When I tell you free, I look for pallets all the time. I actually found a really good lumber place that have these nice lengthy ones that I feel like I can build almost anything out of in my projects. And Zeus! And there's our guardian dog, Catahoula Zeus. And these are our beautiful pigs. Let's go take a look at them. These are our Berkshire pigs that I got from my buddy Lance. And that is our female. And our male, they're getting this size. Now we're going to butcher our male right here, which is served us up as he's sitting there going to the bathroom. And these are my vegetables in the house growing. Ran out of domes, so I put some saran wrap on them. But hey, they're working. Look, you see right here, they're popping up. They are definitely popping up. And would you look at that beautiful siding? Many people don't even do that. I get compliments every day from my neighbors. I'm gonna post a picture of what our house looked like before. Got this, and I made that whole siding out of pallet. I stained it, cut it, trim board out of pallet, and yeah. And this is what we're working on right now with our doors. And there is my naked booty son. That is Junebug. Say hi, Junior.